안녕하세요. Have you seen the drama Squid Game? Of course you have. Everyone has. Thanks to the popularity of Squid Game, Dalgona has made a comeback. Today, our Korean anime reporters will be giving us a little bit background about the Squid Game and its relation with Dalgona. Starting first with the history of Dalgona with Azim. Hello Azim.
Hello Titi. I actually have a lot to share about the story of Dalgona candy. It originated back in Busan in 1960s, and there is no particular reason or story behind the origination of the toffee. And the recipe actually is really simple. You just mix sugar and baking soda, then you stamp it and do whatever. One thing to mention, in 1980s this trend to Dalgona started to fade away because of a couple of reasons. For instance, the way of preparation is really unsanitary, and in addition to that, it was just a simply low quality product, and now it is really popular just because of the show. So now Flower will introduce you actually to the relation of this candy to the show Squid Game.
Hello everybody, thank you Asim for that wonderful introduction about the history of Dalgona. Dalgona is truly a fascinating Korean snack, isn't it? Right, I'm so excited to introduce to you this amazing place. For those of you that don't know, this is the official company that made 700 Dalgonas for Squid Game, the Netflix drama that has gone viral overnight in over 90 countries. So if you are a Squid Game fan, I highly recommend you come here where you can actually do the challenge yourself. You can line up over here, as you can see, and you can participate in the Dalgona challenge yourself. You can also buy Dalgona over there. You can see they're selling it in really nice little tins. So I highly recommend coming here if you want. Here was station, exit number 2. Now over to Tizzy, who has a special activity prepared just for us. Over to you, Tizzy.
Alright, thank you Flower. So still in Haehwa, I'm at this smaller vendor, but what makes it special is that they are actually the direct supplier of the Dalgona used in the series. There are a lot of people here, but I already got mine. I cannot wait to try what Gi-hoon did. Let's go! Alright, I found a spot to do the one with the original thin one. So let's just jump into the hardest one. Umbrella. I'm gonna pressure myself for 10 minutes. Got my needle ready. 2, 3. Right here! Whoa! I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. I'm still alive! Do not stab it. Just like keep carving. I died. I died. I had hope with this part. It's already carving. Okay, I'm curious about the triangle one because it was the easiest one. I don't think like you even need to carve it. It's like you can just see like you don't even need a needle for this. Okay, I won. If I chose a triangle, I'd be surviving. Alright, that's all for me. Back to you, Titi.
I hope that was very informative and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, itawa!